Hey guys, I wanted to show you a product tonight. I just got in, haven't even tried it out yet. I wanted to try it out on video so you guys can see it. But this is the RGB CCT Neon Flex. This is the product that I have not seen anybody else do yet. So this is a Neon Flex LED strip inside of an IP67 fully waterproof neon enclosure. It obviously does RGB and it has the CCT. Most of them I've seen do RGB and warm white or cool white. This one has both warm and cool white in it as well. But I want to try it out here on the video so you guys can see it as well. So I don't have a lot of these. I only bought 10 of each in the 5 and the 3 meters because they're expensive for what they are. They're about $20 a meter. But I think that personally I think they're really, really cool. They look awesome. We had to go through quite a few iterations to make it actually look good. So I have the sample in a 1 meter and it looks fantastic. This is the first time trying a full size 3 meter or 5 meter. So after I'm sure I'm going to use a couple of them myself. So again, don't have a lot of them, but there we go. There we go. Now, here's obviously it's on green. This thing actually looks pretty cool. Let's try out. Let's see. This is a controller I've used before, so it's already should be already set up. So let's see. There it is. Oh, this thing looks really cool. Try out the whites. Go to warm white, over to cool white. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, you can't see there's no banding in here. You can't see where the LEDs are, which is the problem when you're trying to do RGB CCTs in these neon flexes, is you usually see banding in there where you see the LEDs. So they have to be packed pretty dense, but you also don't want to make them so dense that your power consumption is huge as well. So this is just pretty much the normal 24 volt 20 watt per meter power consumption. But that's really cool. Yeah, dimming function, that's actually looks really good. It dims down quite a bit. This is on, well, like, I don't know, I can't even tell on the hue. It's down like 3%, 2%. It's almost all the way down, back up to 100. So this is actually really, really cool. These are great for like outside. These are IP67. You can do designs with it, frame things with it. They're pretty soft. This was really nice. It has wires on one side. They wanted, and let me know what you think about this too. They wanted to put wires on both sides. It's pretty typical on LED strips. They wanted wires on both sides, but I didn't want wires on both sides because if you wanted to try and fit this outside or something, you're gonna have bare wires, and it wouldn't look that great. You have to try and seal them off somehow. So this way they're sealed, no wires on the other side, just wires on the input side. And if you needed to go bigger than, like if you wanted to try 10 meters instead of just the 5 meters, you can do 5 and 5, run some extension wire. You're not going to have to try and go end to end on them. So I didn't think that the wires on the other side too were as big of a deal. I just wanted them on the one side instead of the other. But this is actually pretty cool. This is really nice. Let me know what you guys think. I'll have these up. These are going to be on k2hometech.com exclusively. I'm not going to put them on Amazon or eBay just because the sales fees. Again, these are expensive. I don't have a lot of them, so I'm not worried about selling them in any kind of quantity. But I really want people who like these things, who think these are pretty cool, like as cool as I do, to try and get them from me. So I think that's where I'm going to start with them. See how it goes. Let me know what you think. Hit the comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you think these things are awesome like I do, or what? What other features would you like to see? Because I think these are really, really cool. All right, thanks, guys.